Looks like someone might be excited to go on holiday after all.
Maya, holiday, go now! Yes, Sammy. Just waiting for... Ta-da!
No jumper?
Where we're going, we won't need jumpers, Mama Go. And I think I've caught that holiday feeling. Anyone for a sunny sing-song?
Sing-song? Nothing like a good holiday sing-song.
Holidays, holidays, so much fun.
Sandcastles, ice cream in the sun.
Splash in the pool, stay up late.
Holiday, holiday, we can't wait.
Hooray!
All plants need to grow big and strong is food from the soil, sun.
And they need lots of water, don't they, Grandpa?
Yes, and a good song now and then. Bum, 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 bum. Bum, 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 bum. Bum, 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 bum. Bum, bum, bum.
I didn't know flowers need music to grow.
Well, I like to sing to my flowers, don't I, gang? La, 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 la.
La 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 la. La 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 la. La la la.
La, 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 la. La, 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 la.
I'll just close this window. It's a bit, breezy.
Bum, 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 bum. Bum, bum, bum. Ha ha! A standing ovation. Oh, flowers, you are too kind.
Mya Go and her family are going on a boat trip.
Let's set sail to the deep blue sea.
Mama, Dada, Sammy, Skipper, Doggy, and me.
Past an island and a ship. Far from shore, sailing out to sea. Skipper, show us some more.
It's the captain of the ship, Skipper McKipper.
All aboard my boat, the Unsinkable the Second. I'm itching for an adventure on the high seas.
Hello, Maisie Grow.
I have a lot of fruit to give away, and I thought you might like some.
Ooh, is it apples?
No.
Strawberries? Or raspberries?
No, it's lemons. I grew too many this year.
Oh.
Thank you, Maisie. You're welcome. I hope you enjoy them. Bye.
Yummy lemon! But we can't eat lemons.
But we can make lemonade with them.
I love lemonade. Me too. It's my favourite.
Oh, mine too. Well, after lemon ice pops, of course.
So how do we turn all these lemons into lemonade? Do we need to take them to a factory?
No, we can make it ourselves. You just add water and sugar. I'll show you.
Make sure you save some for me.
Of course, Dada Go. Bye.
Bye.
Everyone's in Maya's kitchen, ready to get started.
First, we squeeze the lemons to get the juice out, add the sugar, and stir.
Let's do this.
Here we go, here we go, here we go, here we go, singing Mya Go!
Lemonade, oh lemonade. Take the lemons, some sugar and water, it's so easy. Slice the fruit in half and go squeezy, squeezy. Lemonade, oh lemonade. Add some ice, it's so nice, let the lemonade flow. We all get to taste it thanks to Mya Go. Lemonade, oh lemonade. Lemonade.
And your lemonade is ready.